good boy. Here you go. Here you go.
Did he eat it?
No. It's got bacon sauce on it, so he's probably licking the bacon sauce off of it. Yeah, next time.
Didn't eat it.
Okay. See if he eats a French fry.
Oh, look at
The
him.
French fry. Come on. French fry? It's a French fry? A French fry? He won't eat the green bean. No green beans for you? French fry? Then he's got to smell it and make sure it's not green bean. French fry? French fry? Oh, look at that. He won't eat it. He only likes the bacon sauce on it. Eat it. He won't eat it.
It's really funny.
Yeah.
You don't want it?
No, Rudy.
You don't like green beans? All right. Guess he doesn't like the green beans. No green beans for you. Okay. Done.
Bye bye, Boo.